David Phipps.
And I'm Kristen Coakley-Asher.
And we're inviting you to come to our session at the ARIS Summit on impact literacy, meaningful research and practical tools for ARIS practitioners. We're going to be focusing on some work that ARIS has done in collaboration with Research Impact Canada. We're going to look at some tools that have emerged from our collaboration. We're going to underpin those tools with some theory that's focused on the co-produced pathway to impact. And there's going to be then an opportunity for you to see a tool and join each one of us in a breakout room that for which we'll be demonstrating individual tools. So Katie, what tool are you going to be demonstrating?
I'm going to take that research on impact literacy and apply it to people like me who are knowledge brokers. How can we use that to manage up at our institutions?
Kristen?
I'm going to be discussing stakeholder analysis and the 3 I's.
And I'm going to be facilitating a tool that we've developed in Research Impact Canada that helps you collect and communicate the evidence of the impact that your research is making beyond scholarship. So join us on April 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern for our session on impact literacy and meaningful tools for practitioners.